A quick Google search, how to holiday in a pandemic, returns more than 550 million hits, including recent CDC guidelines for upcoming celebrations. Head to the Thanksgiving section and you'll find risk rankings for traditional activities, and prioritizing a plan is a good place to start.
I think different families have different perspectives.
Dr. Mark Pasternak is chief of pediatric infectious disease at Mass General Hospital. He says you should start by considering who the guests are.
I think for those of us living in a nuclear family, we can have a small celebration with people we're living with every day and not wearing masks. If people are traveling at a distance, they should ideally be tested before they show up at your home.
Families with relatives over 65 or with underlying health conditions should be very careful.
I think the level of perfection in our protection has to be meticulous for those families.
Dr. Pasternak says hosting outside is safer than inside, but the guest list should still be small. People should be at least 6 feet apart and wear masks when not eating.
I think the notion of that beautifully set table with china and crystal and everyone sits around elbow to elbow is not a good idea. And I think this would be the year to put the food out and let people serve themselves individually in buffet style.
He acknowledges the sacrifices we've all made this year and says the holidays may be another one, but he urges his patients to consider this.
I call it the stink test. What's going to be the worst thing that can happen? And if the worst thing that can happen really stinks, then we should really probably defer and change our plans.
So some other ideas to think about here. Having a virtual dinner, you could share recipes with your family and friends, or you could make special dishes, drop them off at the front door, contactless. You can enjoy the day that way. Also, do keep in mind that the overall picture here could look very different 5 weeks from now, and the plan may have to change, and you need to be flexible.